Hello everybody, I'm back working on the SunFire. You're seeing my reflection uh, on the quarter panel. And anyway, I'm sitting down on a stool. I'll back off here in just a minute, and I've got some more work to do on it. But anyway, not quite there yet, still a little bit of dirt. And I'm going to back off here so you can see the panel that I'm going to work on. I'm just going to do that one section right there. That's all I'm going to focus on this time, and get her coming back. What I'm using is a turtle wax product. It's the black box, and I'm using the step 1, and it's the pre-wax cleaner. And see if you can get a good picture of that. And I'm using an applicator that's on a handle, and like that, and just a microfine cloth to wipe it off. So anyway, I'm going to start that panel and give you an update here in a little bit. Hope you enjoy the videos.